If you want to make your school green, think beyond your classrooms. Here are some suggestions that are all easy and simple to follow, and can make a big difference in reducing your carbon footprint and creating a sustainable community. One of the places where both teachers and students often spend some of their time in the library. An eco-friendly reading space is likely to create a favorable impression on library users and bring some significant educational benefits. For example, you can install energy-saving products like fans instead of air conditioners, which consume a lot of energy. You can also use biodegradable dust cloths or old t-shirts to clean the environment. In addition, to raise public awareness, allocate a clearly visible space on the noticeboard for everyday green tips like, let others reuse your book. Sporty students may prefer to spend more time in the swimming pool than in the library. Therefore, keeping this place safe and green will also help to raise their environmental awareness. Remember that chlorinated pool water may cause red eyes and itchy skin to some people if they spend much time in the pool. An ideal alternative would be a saltwater pool, which can be naturally clean and economical. In case warm water is required, think of solar heating to save the environment, as one pool with gas or electric heater may emit tons of carbon dioxide each year. Finally, focus on the school gym, which is perhaps the most interactive and exciting place for all school staff. Think of installing low-flow taps and showers to save gallons of water per minute, and energy-saving lights to cut the cost of electricity. Moreover, make sure that the airflow pathways are clear and free of mold, mildew, and other allergens.